Hey, how's everyone doing? Today we're going to be installing eDoctor, an IPTV APK, which is great. Cyprus channels, Greek channels, US channels, and British channels UK. Let's install it on the Shield. It is in the Play Store, so you could get on the Play Store on the phone, I found out. But if you're using the Google Play Store on a box, like I'm using the Shield here, or any other box, if I go into the Play Store, I'll show you something. And I go search. Let's say I'm going to search here, and I want to install eDoctor. Here's the problem. I'm going to search for eDoctor. As you can see, the APK does not show up, therefore I can't install it. So how do I use eDoctor on the Shield? Pretty straightforward. You need to get ES Explorer, so go in your Play Store, Fire Stick or any other device, check out my other videos. But you're going to go in the Play Store and you're going to get ES Explorer, search for that, we'll need that, and then install ES Explorer. I got one installed, I just need to update it. I guess I'll give it an update. Okay, and we'll update. And update this one here. There you go, it's going to install, update. Just get ES Explorer, this is going to make things easier. It is already in my APK repository, overdosesrv.io, and I'll show you how to pull it from there. Because on the phone, it's always available on the eDoctor APK. But on like the Shield or maybe another box with the Play Store, like an Android box, it may not be available. So here we go, I got ES Explorer. Just gonna back up, there's one more component you need, and it's called MX Player. Make sure you get MX Player as well from the Play Store. I believe I already have it. Let me check. Here we are. Play Store. Okay, I don't want the Pro version. I just want the free. There you go. I already have it. I'm just going to update it just to make sure I got the newest, greatest MX Player. Okay, so that's done. Now, let's get eDoctor on here. Let's check it out. Let's see how it works without wasting time here. And let's get it going and start enjoying live TV. And this is a great addition to all these live TV APKs that already exist. Another backup, which doesn't hurt. I'm doing it on the Shield because I love my Shield. I'm using a 5.02 new experience on the Shield, as you can see. I'm going to now get our eDoctor. So once you have ES Explorer downloaded, just open it up. I'm opening ES Explorer here. Gonna go into ES Explorer. I'm gonna just minimize that little window or close it. Go to favorites. Make sure favorites is expanded. Click on add. And then type in the following URL. http overdose srve.io /APK. Don't forget that full path. Exactly like you see it. In the name, I'm going to put New Tech Overdose. I didn't overdose, but put New Tech Overdose. Alright. Press add, and that's going to add that favorite. There you go. Bookmark New Tech Overdose is created successfully. I'm scroll down here, and I'm going to click on that newly added bookmark. As you can see, I have a lot of bookmarks, and there's my bookmark. Click on that bookmark, and as you can see, it's going to take you to a bunch of other APKs. Here's a huge list. Have fun, play around. There's a lot of good live TV APKs, but this one's about eDoctor. So once I've done that, I'm going on the left side here, and I'm going to click on eDoctor. Should be somewhere here. Let's look. There's eDoctor APK at 2.4 megabytes. What you want to do is click on that. It's going to install and download eDoctor. Takes not too long, as you can see here. Very quick. I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to click on install, and then click on install again, and let eDoctor do its thing. There's eDoctor. There you go, doing its thing. Hit open, and as you can see, we have eDoctor, and welcome to eDoctor eMotor IPTV, and their website is edoctorwebstarts.com. As you can see on the screen, we got country, and we got listen radio by, and then category. I just simply go to country right here. I click on that, and it's going to ask you to install IPTV Core. Great. All we got to click in is click install. That's going to install IPTV Core. Take us to the Play Store. Press install for IPTV Core. It's going to install. Done. Good deal. Fast. Smooth. Awesome. Okay. Done. I'm going to back up. Hit escape. Press country. This should work on any Android device the way I'm showing you, the easy way to install it. And here we go. We got favorites. We got all channels. We got Cyprus, for those of you that are from that country. We got Greece. That's Dimitrology's from there, so that's for him, Greece. We got USA, and then we got USA 2, and then we got UK, and Romania, Bulgaria, Moldova, Armenia, Italy, France, Germany, Brazil, Spain, Portugal, Albania, Poland, Georgia, China, India, United Arab Emirates, Serbia, Hungary, Slovakia, Czech, Israel, Russia. Boy, I'm running out of breath here. And then we got other category too. That's have channels there too. It's just fully packed. 3 Russian sections. But I really just want to go to the US section for me, and maybe UK. Is that what interests you? And once you're in that section, you can add to favorites and you can play it. So I'm gonna just play ABC here. I'm gonna click on it. I don't even know if it works. I'm just giving it a try. Some links may not work, but from my testing, a lot of stuff did work. If it doesn't work, it might spin like this and then kind of just spit you back out to the actual app. If it takes too long, you can also
How far off are cars that drive themselves? Closer than they've ever been. They're on display at Harrisburg's Auto Show. Sensors and cameras are not exactly new for cars, but they're showing up on more and more models, and they're becoming...
All you gotta do is hit escape, and you're out of that one. What else we have here? So, we have US, USA 2, as I said. So, fully packed, Showtime, and it's a lot of premium channels. A lot of cable channels. As you can see, I'm flipping through them here. I'm going to try to play now HBO Family and see how that works out. So let's go into HBO Family. Let's click on it. And I'm not going to be trying too many channels. I'm going to try 2 here and maybe and 1 more, and that's pretty much it. If a few of them work, that means a lot of them do work. Here we go. Crisp, beautiful, working with IPTV Core. As you can see, I'm going to just go back. And I'm going to go to US2 section because I'm highly interested in that and see how that works out for me. So let's click on to USA 2 here at the top. And I'm going in USA 2. I'm just going to go for AMC, which is a very popular channel. Here I am clicking on AMC. So you need, there you go, beautiful. No issues whatsoever. eDoctor is nice. Works great. Some channels might buffer, but this has high quality channels, works great, and I'm bringing this to you guys on the New Tech channel. Enjoy it, spread it, tell people. Another good one on my channel is Swift Streams. Check it out, check that one out, and I'll see everybody in the next one. Just want to thank you guys for watching. I'm about to hit 100,000 subs, which is amazing. Thank you for all the support, and just wanted to let you guys know that the way you can support me is by hitting the subscribe button, because that helps me, ranks my videos, and you can also hit the thumbs up if you like my videos. That will help me as well. That's all I really ask in all my videos, for you guys to do that. And also, when you hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon to notify you every time there's a new IPTV, APK, if there's something new in Kodi that it's going to be released, you're going to hear it here first on the New Tech channel. Take care. See you guys and girls and everybody else in the next video. Take care.